So here are some examples that I'm talking about in relation to just having your characters illustrate them, animate them in different situations, different scenarios. So this is my personal story, E4 and Friends, not as in like personally, but it's originally by myself. And these are all original characters. The one with the afro is called Efro. The one pouring the lemonade is Orange Sweet. And you know, this is just to make myself familiar with trying different shots, different composition, putting them in the environment, staging, and then there you have Efo drinking the lemonade. So this is like more of like a friendly vibe, Efo and friends. They go up to adventures, mischiefs, having to resolve problems, and that's Efo, just like adventure mode. I encourage you not to, you know, prison yourself in, this is my style. So you're able to draw whatever you want to draw. And then, once you design and create a character, if you look on here, you know your character's shape, design, shape, language. So E4 is like a bean. Simplify it for yourself because you need to animate this. So it's like different poses, and it's easier for you to simplify it so then you can just animate it quicker rather than just straight bang on animating it. And so there you got E4, there you have Spike, and Spike's more of a cube, simplified it like that, and then put them in an environment you can spoof, and that's the good thing. Like you can spoof your original characters, take them away from like the normal norms of their world, put them in different scenarios. This is Efro and Spike now trying to act cool. And then this is the final character called Chili Spice, and this is a day in the Chili Spice. Brushing her teeth, putting her lipstick on, and you know this is a time lapse of that. So you can create their world. That's the house, and then that's the next. On to the next scene, which is Chili Spice getting out of bed. As you can see, I'm not fully drawing her. I'm just simplified. It's just a simplified. It's like a pickle shape. Simplifying it because I need to draw each movement. I need to draw it. As you can see, I'm doing it frame by frame. I really enjoyed frame by frame, if you cannot tell. And the good thing about this is like it's mileage. You're getting familiar with it. You're getting familiar with your character. The more you're doing it, the more you're getting familiar with it, the more you're getting familiar with the movements. And it's a nice little walk cycle. I encourage you all to, familiarize yourself with the walk cycle because your character is going to be walking a lot. Like there's a lot of people that just draw fight scenes, action scenes, which is cool. But even myself, like I want to work more on my, character acting. That's why I try to put them in situations and scenarios. Um, but yeah, so this is a different, and you challenge yourself. You challenge yourself. That's Chili Spice looking at herself in the mirror, and then we do get a front shot of Chili Spice putting on her lipstick, and again, this is frame by frame. If you can see that I'm simplifying the shapes, the cylinders for the arm, you know, um, pickle shape for the body, just like on like what would you call that? Like not finished circle for the eyes. Um, yeah, so that for me is like familiarizing yourself, and because you have your own characters, you can put your characters in these scenarios to practice, which will help you and improve, so you're not wasting your time on what character should I animate, how should I animate it, and then you might find something and it's the finished product, it's not really no breakdown of it. Whereas when you create your own character, you break that down before it's the finished product. So if you look on here, I'm cleaning up now. So you start off messy, it's okay, because you just want to bang that out of the way. You want to just familiar, like get the movement down. You want to animate the shots, the scene, whatever, and then you clean it up, you neaten it up, which is what I'm doing here. This is more of a clean up. So for me, I just do the first rough and then I just clean straight away. Where some people, they do the rough and then they neaten that up and then they clean it. For me, it's not it's not that deep. It's my own stuff. It's my own personal project, and that's the beauty of your own personal project. Like a lot of people, they're dying to get into the industry and all that, which is cool. Like I'm not like one of those people that's like anti industry. You know, congratulations, good for you if you get it. But if you don't get it, don't despair. Like don't be down, and don't be waiting for other people to give you that permission to just enjoy and improve your art. So if you look on here, to save myself from, keep finding the colors, I put the colors up there. Then what I just do is I just pick the colors and then color each frame. So each frame I drew, each movement I drew, and then I had to color each frame as well to just neaten it up, clean it up. And then there you have it. We're gonna see the finished product as well. But yeah, so take your time, design your characters. This is the benefit of it. Like I said, you know your character, you know the shapes of your character. So when you're doing your rough, it's just bam, 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 bam. You're just banging that out. Um, and then there you have it. You have a nice finished little project or animation. Sorry, not project. And then here, I want to do something different, and you want to challenge yourself as well. But this is just a loop, so this is not really like a challenge. It is because like work on your weaknesses. So this is a loop of the fire, which is the motion of the fire is a bit. It was a bit hard for myself as a nice little challenge, but the thing is, when you do it once, you're less scared, and then you'll do it twice, three times, four times, and then you familiarize yourself with it, and then there you have it. That's the finished product. Efro with a marshmallow. Everything else is still, it's just the fire that's moving. And this is just for me to just get my mileages up and you know fill up my library bank of I've done that before. I've done that before. So when I finally script it, I can have that confidence of knowing like yeah, I don't know all this. So if you're still stuck on the bouncing ball, which is nothing wrong with that, just challenge yourself. It's okay if it's bad, it's okay. But once you've done that, you're good to go. And this is a walk cycle of EFO, if you can see. Just is just a simplification of it, and then I'm cleaning it up, and then there you have it. There you have it. All right. Okay.